Elizabeth Isabel Valerio has criticized Ms. Auxilia Mnangagwa for squandering the state funds while citizens continue to suffer. Achipere musha sanapinda mashoko chiona kuti aiwa this Valerio anova a concerned citizen anoyapana pachicriticize the first lady mutungamiri wenyika sanapinda mashoko mudanyuka pana kuti subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Timna unomega mchinzi Valerio, a Zimbabwean businesswoman, the leader of United Zimbabwean Alliance UZA, was the sole female presidential candidate in the 2023 elections. Hospitals across the country are critically understaffed. Patients die daily due to the insufficient medical equipment, and countless Zimbabweans face peril on poorly maintained roads. The situation is dire and demands the president's immediate attention. Instead of addressing these pressing issues, the government appears preoccupied with the luxurious accommodations for a selected few. Is this where our national priorities would lie? The 6 opulent lounges at Robert Gabriel Mugabe Airport are part of a $153 million loan from China will further burden Zimbabwe with ongoing maintenance costs. This Valerio criticizer do not criticize Auxilia Mnangagwa chiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika wemasondabzo Mnangagwa ofana kuaddressa these pressing issues. Nodako kuti aiwa imimi kana tikati hemu address these critical points munoratidza kuti muri occupied pane issues enyu amunenge muda kuaddressa ema luxurious events amene muda kuupholda meme muchiratidza kuti muri busy meetings amene muda kuita muchinosquander ma state funds. Anotaura nawo yepa RG Mugabe airport patona kuti pakavakiwa malonges atona kuti ndo ari kutowedzera kutolutwa kuma-state funds. Kuti mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pemashoko ake anoachicriticize the first lady. Ina comment section medu musano subscribe or like.